Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Jay's Guide. This is your host Jay. Let's start. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create about us, contact us, affiliate disclaimer, and privacy policy page. So you can see that we do not have these pages on our website. So we will learn about how to create those pages and add to your website. So let's start. Now to create those pages, head over to your WP admin account, click on pages, then click on add new, then at the right bottom under template select elementor full width, then add your title as privacy policy and click on edit with elementor. Now click on the plus icon, add a box, then click on plus icon, drag and drop the heading, then type your title. It's privacy policy. Under size, you can just change the size of your text. So I'll keep in default, and under HTML tag I'll keep it in H2 tag. In alignment I'll keep it in the middle. Yeah, this is good for me. Then go to style and you can change the color of your text. So whatever the color you want, you can just change it from here. So I'll keep it in default color only. Under typography, you can just change it as well, how you want it to be appear on your website. So these are the options available there, so you can just reduce it or increase its size. So yeah, this look good for me. And in weight, you can just change the weight of your text, how you want it to be appear on your website. Now under transform, you have your options, like you can have all of them in uppercase or lowercase. You have different style as well, so you can do the required modification as per your convenient from here. So you have different decoration like line through, line at the bottom or top, so you have different options available there. So in line height, I'll just keep it to 3.1. then in letter spacing I'll just keep it to 0.5. yeah, this looks good for me. Then I'll click advanced, and you have many other options under advanced. So you can just what you have to do is you need to do a little practice, then you will get to know all the options available here. So I'm just showing you how to create it here in the basic way, so you can just do it as per your requirement. We have added the title. Now we will add the description. To add the description, click on the plus icon, then click the box and add another box here. Click on the plus, drag and drop the text editor. Now go to Google and type as privacy policy generator.info. Write your website name or company name, write your website name, your website URL, then click on next. Yes, yes, no, then next. Now select your country here. Okay, now state your email address and click on generate my privacy policy. Now your privacy policy for men's fashion expert is generated. So now copy the generated privacy policy and go to your website. Select all and paste it here. I will just make this free privacy policy generator link available to the description of this video, so that you can also generate your privacy policy for free. Now click on style and you can do the required alignment here under alignment. Then under text color you can change the color, you can change the typography. Under advanced you have many other options guys, so you can just do the changes as per your requirements. So you can just go through all the options available on the Elementor, then you can make the necessary changes as per your requirement, as per like how you want your privacy policy page to be look like on your website. So after making all the required or necessary changes, click on publish and click on have a look. So guys, you can see how it is looking like now. This is the privacy policy page which we have created just now. Now go back to your dashboard and click on add new again and type as about us. Make sure the template is Elementor full width and then click on edit with Elementor. Add a box like we did before. Click on the plus icon, drag and drop the heading and type in your heading title once again. About us. Now to the alignment. In typography, I'll just change the weight little and the height and spacing, letter spacing. I think this is good. Now add one more box and drag and drop text editor. Then write down about your website guys. Here in the description you have to write about your website, what your website does and what is your website is all about. This is very important guys. For suppose if you're applying for Amazon associate account, they will look after your contact details, your about us page and all. So make sure that you're writing it in brief, and after writing it just do the necessary changes, whatever the changes you want, how you want it to be look like. And after changing everything, then you can just click on publish, then click on have a look. You can see that yes, your about us page is also created. So guys, this is not about men's fashion expert. I just randomly wrote something, so that this is just to let you know how to create those pages. Now go back to your dashboard again and then click on add new. Select Elementor full width and type as affiliate disclaimer. Click on edit with Elementor. Then click on the plus icon, add a box. Click on the plus here, add heading and write your title. Affiliate disclaimer. Right. Now adjust it. Then you can do all the necessary arrangement as per your requirement. Then add another box, add text editor and then write down your affiliate disclaimer. So I have already copied a disclaimer, so I'll just add my website name, men's fashion expert, and I will also add a link here. So to add a link, just select that one Then copy your website link URL and click on the URL icon, paste it here. Right, so you can see that it is added. So this is how it look like. Then click on publish. Now go back to your dashboard again. Click on add new. Elementor full width. Then we'll create contact us page. Now click on publish. Publish again, because we are not going to add contact form in this video, we are going to add it in the next video. Now guys, you can see we have created 4 pages here like I promised you earlier. So now we will add those pages at the footer of our website. Now to add them, go to appearance, menus, click on create a new menu, and I will name the menu as footer. Click on create menu. Now I will add the created pages to the footer menu. Contact us, affiliate, disclaimer, 4 of them. So I've added them. Now click on save menu. Now click on customize option. Go to footer bar, click on add a widget, click on navigation menu, select footer bar, click on done and publish. So go to your website and refresh the page. You can see that the pages which we have created, it is there on our footer bar. Now let's do little alignment. Go to layout, footer, center or left. So I'll just better keep it in the right. Yeah, this is better. In mobile device, let me see how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like in mobile device. Now this is fine. Click on publish. And refresh the page. Now you can see that the contact form is empty. So guys, we are going to add the contact form in the next video. And affiliate disclaimer, about us, privacy policy. So you can see we have created all the pages as I promised, and I've added them into my website as well. If you found the video was informative, then please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.